Locomotion in different animals. The movement of an animal as a whole from one place to another is termed as locomotion. Locomotion in earthworm. Earthworm moves by crawling, which is produced by the alternate contraction and relaxation of muscles of the body wall. The bristle-like projections are called setae, provide grip to the earthworm on the surface. Crawling movement in earthworm. While moving, an earthworm holds the rear part of the body to the surface and extends its front part. Then the extended front part holds the surface and the rear part is released. The body shortens and the rear end is pulled forward. By repeating these movements, the earthworm crawls ahead on the ground. Locomotion in snail. The body of a snail is enclosed in a calcareous shell. Snail moves by creeping. Creeping movement in snail. During creeping, the shell aperture opens and a large muscular foot and head of the snail come out. The glands in the foot secrete a slippery substance and the snail creeps slowly by the slippery movements of the foot caused due to contraction of foot muscles. Locomotion in cockroach. Cockroach can fly as well as run because it has 2 pairs of wings for flying and 3 pairs of legs for walking and running. The distal ends of legs have claws and adhesive pads. Running movement in cockroach. The first pair of legs pulls the body forwards and the third pair of legs pushes the body from behind. The claws and adhesive pads help the cockroach to climb. Flying movement in cockroach. The 2 pairs of wings attached to the thorax of a cockroach help in flying. The hind wings move up and down by the action of flight muscles attached to them. The 4 wings do not beat. They are held at right angle to the body. Locomotion in fish. A fish has the following features for swimming. Body is spindle-shaped or boat-shaped and streamlined. The body shape offers least resistance while swimming. Body muscles create wave-like movements of the body to push the fish forward. Tail is muscular, having a tail or caudal fin. Its side-to-side movements push the water downwards and backwards, which in turn pushes the body upwards and forwards. Tail also helps in changing the direction of movement while swimming. The paired fins and the median dorsal fins keep the balance of body while swimming. Swimming movement in fish. During swimming, muscles in the front part of the fish body make it to curve to one side. The tail curves in the opposite side. This creates a jerk and pushes the body forward. Locomotion in snake. Snakes do not have legs. They move by crawling. Their body is long and cylindrical, supported with a long backbone. The well-developed body muscles are connected to each other and to the vertebrae, ribs and skin. Crawling movement in snake. The contraction of muscles creates curves or loops along the body. Each loop creates a push and the snake moves in a zigzag manner. Locomotion in birds. Birds have following features that help them fly. Body is spindle-shaped or streamlined to make its way in the air. Bones are strong, hollow, and filled with air. They make the body of the bird light for flying in the air. Their forelimbs are modified into wings. Their shoulder bones are strong. The breastbone is broad for the attachment of breast muscles. Powerful breast muscles move the wings up and down, that is flapping of wings. Flying movement in bird. Birds fly by flapping their wings. By the contraction of flight muscles, wings move downwards and forwards. This downstroke of the wings pushes the air downwards and backwards. and the body is pushed upwards and forwards. When the wings move upwards, the bird moves downwards.